Motion and measurement of distances. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The distance between Delhi and Mumbai is usually expressed in units of option A decimeter, B meter, C centimeter, D kilometer. Answer is D. The distance between Delhi and Mumbai is expressed in kilometer because meter, centimeter and decimeter are so small to express this big distance. So answer is km, kilometer. Question number 2. Which of the following does not express a time interval? Option A, a day. Option B, a second. Option C, a school period. Option D, time of the first bell in the school. Answer D. Answer D, because the time of the first bell in the school does not express a time interval because it has a single value of time, while other quantities like a day, a second, a school period can be divided into a number of shorter periods of time. Note, a time interval should have at least two values of a time. Question 3. Figure shows a measuring scale width is usually supplied with a geometric box. Which of the following distance cannot be measured with these scales by using it only once? Option A 0.1 meter, option B 0.15 meter, option C 0.2 meter, option D 0.05 meter. Answer option C 0.2 because her 0.1 equal 10 centimeter, 0.15 meter equal 15 centimeter, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. तो 0.2 meter equal 20 centimeter and 0.05 equal 5 centimeter. The distance 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 5 centimeter can be easily measured by using the 15 centimeter long scale, while the distance 20 centimeter, 0.2 meter cannot be measured by using scale only once. Question number 4. A piece of ribbon folded 5 times is placed along a 30 centimeter long measuring scale as shown in a figure. The length of the ribbon is between option A 1.15 meter equal 1.25 meter. B option 1.25 meter equal 1.35 meter. Option D C 1.50 meter equal 1.60 meter. Option D 1.60 meter equal 1 centimeter. Answer is B because Since ribbon is folded 5 times, from figure length of ribbon to 5.5 minus 2 centimeter multiply 5 equal to 5.5 multiply 5 centimeter equal 127.5 centimeter equal 1.25 centimeter ब्रैकेट में 1 मीटर इक्वल 100 सेंटीमीटर 1.27 मीटर lies in the range of 1 to 5 equal 1.35 meters. Question number 5. Paheli moves on a street road from point A to point C. She takes 20 meters to cover a curtain distance AB and 30 minutes to cover the rest of distance BC. She then turns back and takes 30 minutes to cover the distance CB and 20 meters to cover the rest of the distance to her starting point. She makes 5 rounds on the road in the same way. Paheli concludes that her motion is dash. A. Only rectangular motion. B. Only periodic motion. C. Rectangular and periodic motion. D. Neither rectangular nor periodic. Neither and nor means ना ही तो rectangular है या ना ही तो periodic है. So answer is C. Rectangular and periodic motion. Because we can understand this using the following diagram. Thus we can see that Paheli moves in a straight path from A minus C and from C minus A. So the motion is rectangular. Further, Paheli moves in a periodic motion because she makes 5 rounds in the same way and crosses point 6 in each round after a regular time interval. So her motion is rectangular and periodic motion. Question number 6. Bholu and Golu are playing on a ground. They start running from the same point A in the ground and reach point B at the same time by following the paths marked 1 and 2 respectively as so in the figure. Which of the following is true for the given situations? As compared to Golu, Bholu covers are dash. A. Option A. Longer distance but with a lower speed. B. Longer distance with a higher speed. C. Shorter distance with a lower speed. D. Shorter distance with a higher speed. Which is longer than that of Golu? Both reach point B at the same time, so Bolu will have to move faster in order to cover more distance. Therefore, Bholu moves with a higher speed than Golu. Answer B. Longer distance with a higher speed. Because it is clear from the figure that Bholu covers more distance since he is on the track. This is Bholu and this is Golu. See this drawing? Next question is 7. 4 pieces of wooden sticks A, B, C, D are placed along the length of 30 centimeter long scale as so in figure. Which one of them is 3.4 centimeter in the length? Option A. Option B. Option C. Option D. Answer option C. Because from the figure it is clear that length of A equal 2.7 minus 0.3 centimeter equal 2.4 centimeter. Length of यहाँ पे गलती से ऐसा आ गया है, हम इसको काट के यहाँ पे B कर लेंगे. Length of B equals 6.5 minus 3.4 centimeter equal 3.1 centimeter. Length of C equal 10.4 minus 7.0 centimeter equal 3.4 centimeter. And length of D 14.4 minus 10.7 centimeter equal 3.7 centimeter. Or which question is which one of them is 3.4 centimeter in the length? So answer is C, because C is right answer, because length of C 10.4 minus 7.0 centimeter equal 3.4 centimeter. Question number 14. Why? Because question number 14 is very important. Identify the different types of motion in the following word diagram given as in the figure. This is figure and identify आपने इसमें कितने मतलब ढूंढे. तो पहला हमारा रेक्टेंगल मोशन आ गया यहाँ पे फर्स्ट लाइन पे, ध्यान से देखिए. अब मैं आंसर्स बता दूँ. द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन इन द फॉलोइंग वर्ड डायग्राम इज एज गिवन. सो यहाँ पे हमारा है linear trailer and second है rectangular motion and periodic motion, circular motion. यहाँ पे थोड़ा वैसे में बन गया है, मैं आपको आसानी से बताती हूँ. वो थोड़ा रेड था कलर, हम देखेंगे. फर्स्ट इज linear motion, rectangular motion, periodic motion, circular motion. This is 4 motions. So हम लिख लेंगे. फर्स्ट हमारा था linear motion एंड सेकंड हमारा है periodic motion. सेकंड था rectangular motion, linear motion. और थर्ड था सर्कुलर मोशन. और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. 15 क्वेश्चन. 4 children measure the length of a table which was about 2 meters. Each of them used different ways to measure it. A. Sam measured it with a half meter long thread. Gurmeet measured it with a 15 centimeter scale from her geometric box. Renia measured it using her hand span. D. Salim measured it using a 5 meter long measuring tape. Which one of them would get the most accurate length. Give reason for your answer. Answer is D. Salim will measure it most accurately because of the following reason. Length 2 meter which he wants to measure can be measured using this scale only in a single attempt. Second, this scale is a standard scale and will give the correct measurement. Other scales given are either or non-standard or having the length less than the length we want to measure. Match the column with column second. So start now. Move a moving wheel of a swing machine. Answer is rotational motion. Next is B. Movement of tip of the minute hand of a clock in 1 hour. Answer first circular motion and last is C periodic motions. Answer the correct matching is as given. A equal second, B equal first, C equal third. A rotational motion is a motion in the circular path about as fixed axis. B circular motion is the motion of an object or a part of it around a fixed point. C periodic motion is the motion that repeats itself after some period of time.